everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Hi everyone, this is Meghana and welcome back to my channel.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಾಗಿಣಿ
What are you
ಪ್ರಾಜ್ವಲ್
trying to do? Why is she doing this?
Isn't this my show?
No, this was supposed to be my vlog.
Cheers. This is going to go smooth.
First celebration the start ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Oh, celebrate what?
Women! What is it like to be a woman?
It's fun.
Knowing
It's fun.
how much you have done, knowing how much you have actually achieved, do you feel pride in the way you are today?
Absolutely, I feel like ಏನನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ I feel ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. We are capable of so much more, and sometimes we do not want to always play the victim card just because we are women. And some women may like it, some women don't. See, like for you wouldn't want to play a victim card any day. So nanu hagene, I don't like it. But ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ that also becomes a trump card, like sometimes, but most of the times you worked hard for all what we have achieved in life. ಅದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಸ್ರಿಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಯು ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಏನು ಗುರು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ವುಮನ್ ದೇ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. You're really putting me in a spot because I have seen both sides, where one side it is completely sometimes feels like male dominated and one side it feels like very feminist ತರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So I've seen both.
But ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಜೋರ್ ನಡೆಯೋದು ಯಾರು ಜೋರ್ ನಡೆಯೋದು?
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಂದೆ ಅವನದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೋರ್ ನಡೀತಿರೋದು. ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟರ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್, ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜೋಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟು ಯು, ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೆನ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು, ಈವನ್ ದೋ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ 100%.
ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ?
No force. See, I was like this I'm a typical filmy person by heart, okay? So ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳಿದ್ದಾಗ I always thought you should not say that you want to become an actor. So I used to watch interviews so everybody's like, I never wanted to become an actor, but then I got this opportunity and then I ended up being an actor anta. So nobody wanted to say this is what I actually want. This is what, so I thought that is cool ankota idde nanu. And like everyone used to ask me, what do you want to become? I want to be a doctor, I want to be an IAS officer. But one time I really wanted to get into the army. That is like
in fact you had those pictures, no?
Yeah. So adella
yeah, you were like the head,
yes.
Scout.
Not scout, NCC.
Oh, NCC.
What
NCC. Yeah. I remember seeing those pictures at home.
You are not my friend anymore. You just called me a scout.
Yeah, sorry. No, I didn't remember what the term was.
Ask Panaga. You tell you correctly. He hates it.
Yeah.
So adella aito, and then I was like, okay, my grandpa is an army man. So ಅವರು ಆರ್ಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಓಕೆ ನನಗೂ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆರ್ಮಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಟು take that forward. But ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. I've always wanted to be an actor. It's just that
blood ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ. How can you say no?
Yeah, and I like being in front of the camera. See, like today I like talking to you, and there's lights, there's camera, there's everything. I like that.
Yes.
You tell me about your dancing passion. I know you started dancing in the womb.
Yeah.
In the womb. And your mom had to be like, stop it, I can't. This was not normal kicking. This is just not normal kicking.
Like Ajji, she used to be a Bharatanatyam dancer, but ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So I don't know from where it just came in like that, but we come from a family of classical dancers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ Tanjavur family andrene it's an inclination to music and to dance.
Do you know we are related Tanjavur wise? How? What do you mean how?
Oh really?
Is she even my friend?
Hey, ನಾನು I'm telling you, Mrs. Prajwal ದೇವರಾಜ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ತಂಜಾವೂರಿಂದ ಅಂತ.
What?
I am typical Gaudati now, I call myself like that. So
oh my God,
this connection wish I knew earlier, man.
Don't you know my grandmother is also from Tanjavur?
Wow.
Yeah. And we are Iyengars. I'm going to unfriend her and block her on Instagram.
ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ
because you
ಬೇಡ
don't
ನೋಡು
know
ಸಿಯಾಡೋ.
I am at a place where I can slow down now. I want to slow down. I wish I was faster in my 20s. Nange hang ansute. I probably, now when I think back, there are so many things I could have done differently when I was in my 20s. Opportunities were there, but I
You were
wanted.
one of the busiest heroines, right?
Yeah, but
In
I
your
wanted to be-
20s,
I wanted-
Malayalam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ.
I was really
You were
busy.
like
I
that.
could have been much more busier.
Hmm.
So in fact, like when I was really busy, I wanted to come back home. I wanted to be with my parents. I wanted to be home. I wanted to be in Bangalore. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು, because I was constantly traveling.
Right.
And I just wanted to be with my friends. So
Yeah.
that was there in my mind, But I wish I was like you when I
Even
was in my
faster.
20s. Yeah, like 10 times Ragini. Like imagine.
Yeah, you know what? In my case, people think that I'm always, I was someone like that. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I would definitely get restless.
Yeah.
At home itself, I used to be like, what am I doing? That means I'm not being productive. But I feel that is such a wrong notion, Megs, of trying to say that if you're busy, you're being productive.
Mm-hmm.
Just because you're busy, that doesn't mean you're always being productive. And I had to push myself at least 8 hours of class. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ, because ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, I used to do it. But post 30, I've realized, I used to start shivering. My hand used to be like, okay, if you slow down, you're not. It's wrong.
How?
You need to understand that, as you said, biologically, with age, we need to slow down. But when
Yes.
we slow down, we can still add that value to ourselves.
Yeah.
Like today, what we're doing, I never knew I'd be sitting with you and talking over, and
Yeah.
even with a camera in front of me.
ಹೌದು.
That's not even me. And for us to discuss topics like this, right? We think, okay, it's only an actor, this is what. But I feel people look up to us in so many other ways. Because when we look at Meghana, I don't think they look at Meghana only the actor.
ಇವತ್ತು ಮೇಘ್ನಾ, ರಾಜ್, ಸರ್ಜಾನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಐ ನೋ ಮೇಘ್ನಾ ಫಾರ್ ಹೂ ಮೇಘ್ನಾ ಇಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್.
And you're someone with a no filter.
Yeah,
That is
no
the best.
on Insta also.
That is the best. That is actually the best, because
Yeah.
so many people want to show, as you said, this version of them, and
Yeah.
then behind their rowdies.
Yes.
I think that way we both have made it very clear.
Very,
they're rowdies,
oh,
okay?
agala.
That
I
is
just
true.
can't, yeah.
Give me 2 more things. What do you think people like? I'll tell you what I look up to you for. I've seen you as a mother, as a wife, as a girlfriend. Babe, literally, actually, there's not much that has changed. The way you talk to Rayu, the way yours and Chiru chemistry was, the
Yeah.
way it is with PD as well. I don't see different versions of you.
Yes, yeah.
I think that is something which is such a good learning, because you're at the end of it, you can know what to expect from it. Over expect madadilla, this is what you're going to be, and that to get that straight face is very hard. So I look up to
Yeah.
say that, because industry nalli namaskar on how to handle people like that. I am not. When I see you guys of how you handled it.
No, actually, Rag, this is also something of what I've learned over time. Nange 20 years back, if something you asked me if I changed something, that would have been the way I spoke to people, and the way I understood people would have been very different. So when I was 20, I used to take people like face value again. Somebody's talking nicely to me, I'm like, so nice. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳ್ಳಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಲು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅವಾಗ, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. And I thought that is how it is, that's how people are. I didn't know. I had like one moment where during the first time I met Chiru and all. So one moment ali, there was one actress who, I don't want to name her, but
You're sure you don't want to name her?
So
Okay, we won't.
I'll tell you the name
Yeah.
later, but so they're like,
No.
hey, aವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತದು?
Oh,
What do you say?
No. Okay. Oh, okay.
So we were all supposed to go somewhere, and then last minute this person said they will not come.
Okay.
And I was depending on that person coming, because I know that my mom will not be okay with me going out without another girl. Okay, so I'm like, why are you doing this? Why are you
She
not?
was so strict. Yeah?
She was very strict. She was very strict only when it came to Chiru.
Yeah.
Other things, she's like, oh, okay,
The
fine.
protective,
Yeah. So, so our time, yeah, so I'm like, I can't go. Like, why are you doing this? And but somehow, eternal girlfriend Panaga was there. So I'm like, Panaga is there, Amma. Panaga is like, he's there, go.
Easy.
Okay, go. So yeah, so that was the thing. So that is my very first lesson of how people know when to be present and when not to be. You know, being present with us at that point of time might have caused that person problems. Avag artha agಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. I in fact was hurt, you know. But then I understood, you know, they did it for a reason another. So I should have also been like that and ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ನನಗೂ ಅದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ that we should have filtered how we are. Matlab we were available to everyone, anyone and everyone.
Exactly.
That if I could change, I definitely from my 20s I would. I shouldn't have made everyone my priority in life. And this emotional intelligence, now I feel women have more. Yeah.
But we don't use it at the right time.
We don't use it. See, there is always a flaw. But if I have to ask anyone at home, Pranam irli, Praju irli, they will not overthink this. Hey, aita bitta hoyitu bandra hoyitu.
Haudu.
We get emotionally attached to certain people. And when something wrong or something goes wrong, we want to fix it, even though it's not our problem.
Yeah.
It's Pranam has his dialogue. It's an issue. It's not an issue. Issue.
Oh,
so it's an issue. It's not an issue. So you got to
so
realize
cool,
that.
Actually. I should. In
So ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ just tell them it's an issue. Me and my mom have a little OCD issues.
Okay.
I like to keep things in a certain way. ಪಾಪ ನಾನು ಆ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಜೋರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Why is this here? Why is this not here? Why is this ಅಂತ me and
That's
my
what
mom
daughters
get
do.
into like, oh my god ಅಂತ. Do you get into things with mom?
Always.
Oh.
Every day, every minute of every day, every second of every day, my mother and I are always fighting.
Yeah.
Hey,
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
Yeah, I also.
Some tips that you could give me, maybe I could.
I have to ask you tips. I'm like, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನು ಜಗಳ ನಡೆದ್ರು it will be like, okay, Meghna only started it. So yeah, it's become like that. So Meghna started it.
Kanika don't laugh.
What actually?
Same thing.
No. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಘ್ನಾನ ಅಥವಾ ರಾಗಿಣಿನ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. We'll be quiet, we'll be doing our own thing. Somebody will irritate us. Especially the mothers. They will come and say something which they shouldn't. And then you get irritated.
You don't know what to say.
Yeah. Then you're like, oh, Meghna.
Tell me this one more thing. I'm sure every daughter faces this. I think this segment is actually only about daughters in that way. Have you ever tried appa side togondo?
Oh my god.
How is it when you take appa side and then amma's reaction?
If I take appa side in anything, ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1 week she doesn't talk to me.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ?
No, ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. Appa is legendary. He's used to my mother not talking to him for more than
sometimes feel so bad for these fathers who are with the wife and 2 daughters or 1 daughter. This I feel so bad. In fact, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
you cannot say father is right. Father cannot be right.
Just cannot. And ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಅಪ್ಪನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ, ಹೋಗ್ ಬಿಡು, I know how it is. So you can never come between like the father and thing. I think that is always a bad decision to make.
Very
right?
bad. Like you know, the mama like ma actually ಏನು ಅಪ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸಾಕು
ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ
ಫೇಸ್.
Oh, does your mom get dots here? My mom.
No, I'll keep up.
We keep making fun. Maybe you gotta edit this portion, okay? Because my mom can't hear this. We know when there's an expressions that ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು 3 dots ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಓ ಏನೋ ಒಂದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Sometimes it may not be there. Yeah, it's like one ಬಂತ. Then we're like, I'm from me and my Kanika from Dagira. ನಾವು only handle ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Oh my god. No,
lucky you have Kanika.
Yeah.
But like when I have to handle her alone, it's so my mom is like a volcano. Okay. So I've sometimes you know what I do? I'm a very bad child this year. I tell you. This you can please put. You know what I do sometimes? When my mom is angry with me, I'll somehow deviate her anger towards my dad so that I become the good one.
That is very evil.
I know it's very.
That is evil. Right?
It's pure evil. It is very bad. David is in Marvedi, but I do this sometimes. I get so irritated.
Maybe I should do that to Kanika.
ಅವಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
I actually deviated ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ, that she's angry at me ಅನ್ನೋದು. So that anger goes on my dad. I'm like, I'm safe now, because that mom wrath at home is unbearable.
Hello, Ammo. You're also Amma only.
I know.
I will come and talk about you like this. My next talk is going to be with him one day.
That ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Was it an issue or it's me?
It's issues. I'm telling him to get ready for school and he's like, ನಾನು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Like, okay, he said 5 minutes. I said, okay. 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ನಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಾ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಏನು ಹರಿದೋಗಿರೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. Take him to the bathroom, he's screaming, Snana, baby.
I think all these characteristics are yours only.
Well, I said I don't want to have Snana.
All this tantrum throwing in our papa. ನಾನು ಚಿರು ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಾಕಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದೆ. What goes around comes around.
Oh, the small packet coming around, oh my.
Allah, I can just imagine.
You know what he says after school today? I picked him up and I'm like, Ryan, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ರೇಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Like, hey, I gave birth to myself and myself is irritating. No. It's Ishmi. It's creating an Ishmi.
Okay, ready.
Yeah, I love watching myself.
I have, yeah. That too you only have taken.
Yeah. It won't be called a selfie, she said.
ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನಮ್ಮ ತರ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ನನ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. I don't like selfie.
Perfect face. Fine.
She has a perfect body. Fine.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ,
I have.
ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
Yeah, I know. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಇದೆ.
Actually, no. Because ನಾನು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, I take all my outfits from Kanika. ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I'm a very lazy shopper, you see.
But if something looks nice,
I don't.
She's seen an outfit on me and she's taken.
Yeah, so I don't buy. I borrow.
Ah.
That's the advantage of having a sister. I don't want to it always.
But yeah. You can really? That's why you didn't come home that day.
And then I go to the after party. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. And then I'm like, ಇದಕ್ಕಂತ I have to dress up over. I'm not going to dress up. The minute they shift into someone else, I'm there in my pajamas or my shorts. I did it.
She never barely used it.
For her, I will say yes. I know her story. But mine, no way.
Which one?
Except for one. There's one collagen mask. Oh my god. Have you tried it? No. Did not. It's called, this is not sponsored, but I'm going to take the name out. So if you like this video, please again come back to me. It's called Mac2G. You have to pay. It's a collagen mask. Oh my god, it's so good. That too is not worth the price. I mean, it is worth the price.
Okay. Not worth the price.
No, but it's really expensive. Yeah.
But yes, I have bought
Yes.
it.
For you. Yes.
I hate WhatsApp groups.
Yeah.
If it has forwards.
Yeah. And ಅದು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸು ಏನಾದರೂ ಜೋಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ ವಿತ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಫಿ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I just mute it completely. I don't like those.
I hate that.
Yeah.
I have been late, never blamed it on traffic for having an outfit crisis, but I've blamed it on traffic when I've taken long to get ready or
ಅಂದ್ರೆ reason ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yeah, I start late, so I would have been like traffic, not for outfit reason.
ನಾನು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್.
Really, you just came here 1 hour late. You just came here 1 hour late.
Have you had jealousy in friendship? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yeah.
ನಿನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ?
ನನಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Yeah,
I've been jealous of a friend, of a very
it's
close
a very
friend.
natural feeling, ಅಲ್ಲ?
See, jealousy, anger, these are all emotions in the human body.
And
you
that
will
comes
feel
from
it.
a safe space. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ I feel with me when I can't see my friend with another girl, ಅಲ್ಲ? It irritates me that I miss her more than ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಇದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ತಾನೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ, ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ವಿ ತಾನೇ.
Why wasn't I called for this?
Right?
Why didn't you come with me? You went with her to do this. When I called, you didn't come.
Yeah, it's more about that missing space and wanting to. Then in the 20s, means I used to be so vocal about everything that I feel. Sometimes that is backfired. Sometimes now I realize that everything doesn't have to be told to them. ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ವೇ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್, or misinterpret things the way you actually don't even have that feeling. But ಅದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ justify ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ are you responsible for it? Because when someone thinks something wrong about you, you can't prove that to them and say okay ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. But are you in a phase of life where you enjoy your female friendships?
Yes, I do, because that's what kind of keeping me sane. So I need my female, I need my girlfriend, I need my friends. I need to, connect with them. If not today, like in 1 month, are we planning something? Then it's yes. That plan has to work out. And I need that time. I need my girls. I need that thing. It's not like okay, I'm doing it because it has to be done. It's just organically and systematically ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. I want to meet Deepthi. I'm like, I'll call Deepthi and say, I want to meet you today. If I want to meet you, I'll say, Ragini, please come, don't ditch. So it's a very...
I've always got a message. ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್,
I know you're not going to come.
Ditched again, right?
I know you're not going to come.
Speaking, if you ask me how I was as a friend in my 20s, I would not rate myself as much. I would tell you that illa ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ I've been carried away with a lot of other things that will give me limelight. You understand? When you're in your 20s, are young bloodily, you want to be here, you want to be seen here, you're with 100 people already and people are talking to you. You're like, the value of that friendship I did not maintain, but even though I had the closest of the closest friends, I let myself out everywhere. Like I was available to everyone.
Correct.
And that is at times I feel that actually the ones who are close, I maybe have done something not wrong to them, but I should have given them that same priority to take. But the Ragini post 30s, I'm telling you, I rate myself 10 on 10 as a friend. I will never want to make like ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ, just because someone else is not there in the picture, I will not disconnect my thing with you. For me it is very important that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಂದು ಏನೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ, I want to maintain this. The same way with any of my friends, because it's very hard to maintain those group mates. You have to understand that ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹುಡುಗರದು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ, they always maintain anything. But for girls it's always this is one more character. That's the uniqueness in us. Each one has one kind. Diversity nu irutte, unity nu irutte. And that is so hard to maintain, right?
Very hard. And sometimes you'll be like, even when we go out, our choices are also very different.
Exactly.
So it's like all of us have to decide on one thing. It's female friendships are complicated.
But I think when you see friendship like this, one thing I have to really tell you is believe in that friend. Believe and trust one friend. Trust is so important. It's a thin line.
It's very thin. But in the industry where we are, to actually sustain a female friendship within the industry is a very dicey, because you don't know when you will be backstabbed. You don't know when.
I'm sure there are 100 things running in my head when it comes about backstab or people doing. There's just so much that has happened, but there's so many things you can't react to.
So even if you know the person has done something, you'll be like, next time I'll say, how are you? Let's meet up for coffee, okay?
That's That usually just does happen.
Yeah.
But today that's something. Today I am very proud as a friend. I say that with a lot ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ I do not want to hurt any girl and nor do I want her to feel like you did this to me, no, this is what. Sometimes things work, sometimes
I think
things
I'm
don't
so
work.
shy.
Yeah.
You did this to me and now wait till what
I'm over that phase. Babe, I'm telling
know.
you, ಆ ಒಂದು phase ನಾನು ದಾಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು if you just see, no, you'll realize actually what a good person you are.
I am
The
a good
more-
person, that's
yeah,
why I'm
but
like,
when you try to prove and they don't understand,
not
ಏನಾಗೋದು?
proving, even no proving, really, but I am a very good person, I know. So you are meddling with a good person and now you're
Yeah,
making bad.
I am
It's
done
like,
with that
if you're
phase.
bad, then I'm your dad and so I can't be the dad now, so.
That's nice, that's nice. My next question. What is self-love to you as a woman?
I think self-love to me would be keeping my mental peace and making sure that I am okay first. You know, I need to be okay. So I really think me being physically, mentally okay is my priority. Because naan hangilla andre I cannot radiate that positive energy to anyone around me, even to my son. So this has become a very strong belief in me that I have to be okay physically and mentally to be okay, to make sure that Ryan is okay.
That's right.
Yeah, so I really have to be, and I'm cutting off anything which is very toxic in me. I'm not able to
That's-
handle it. It's
exactly.
too toxic. Agala. Like I enjoy it.
That is
I'm
so
done.
perfect. For me, self-love is understanding your boundaries. I feel as a woman, everything that we do today is either with a compromise or a problem solver or a solution giver. Anything should be with a woman trying to give this first initiative of ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ. I have drawn the boundaries there. When I know it's an issue, I draw my boundaries right there.
It's yours.
So it's an issue that you need to understand. You have the problem. Once you understand and you've healed yourself with it, come back and you're always going to be there.
Yeah.
It can be with a husband, it can be with in-laws, it can be with friends. Drawing boundaries for me has become a learning of self-love. Where I know I am priority for me. Means I have time to read for myself. I go and I meditate, as you were saying. Things that I do for myself without any showing it to the social media.
Exactly. Don't do it for social media. Do it for yourself. Travel for yourself. Don't post pictures.
Yeah.
Dress for yourself. Don't post pictures. Don't meet anyone. Like if you're at home, just if you like getting dressed up, get dressed up, and nobody has to see you. You can just look at yourself and be happy. That is self-love. That's it.
Go on, yo. I think it was such a good talk.
In case like something is looking odd, just
I keep seeing my friends. Yo, my jar is ruining it, no? Wait. This is what I like about women.
Hey, I'll sit like this, huh? In concept, sit like this, more comfortable.